So listen, if you're a service-based business and you're currently making anywhere from 5 to 10K or more in a month, then there's a good chance that you're actually sitting on at least 3 to 8K a month in lost revenue every single month. And this isn't because your ads are bad or because people are telling you your sales process is broken. It's actually because you're overlooking what's already right in front of you. Now, here's the common issue most people think. It's that apparently you get new revenue just from new clients or from running ads all the time or from fixing your pipeline or your sales process. But what most people don't realize is that most of your untapped revenue comes from your current clients and specifically from your referrals that should have happened but never did. Now, I want to show you a quick example. Let's say you have 3 to 5 high-ticket clients each month. They're worth around $1,000 each to your business. Now, behind one of those clients is usually 1 to 3 more people they could refer just like them, just as satisfied and importantly, just as likely to want to refer more people. So that is an extra $1,000 to $3,000 a month in extra revenue per $1,000 client. And of course, this adds up and scales for whatever your current services actually cost in extra revenue each month. But if you don't have a system to trigger that referral, you lose them. And those people, well, they'll just go and work with someone else. And if we zoom out here and look at these numbers as a larger sum, that's $2,000 to $4,000 in lost revenue per client simply by not referring. And that's just if your retainer is, let's say, $1,000 a month. It can extrapolate more and more and scale more and more if you have 5K, 10K, 20K retainers, if you have much larger projects and services. So the only situation you had right now was you didn't see them. And because you didn't see them, you didn't ask for them. And even if you did see them, you might be asking too early or too late and you end up losing the referral. Now, let's multiply this out by the year, by 12. If you're making 10K a month, that's on average 120K a year. And that means that there's usually at least almost 40K to almost 100K under your chair right now, waiting to be unlocked if you're making 10K a month throughout the year in lost revenue, simply because you didn't realize that you didn't need to ask at the right time and you didn't wait for that right moment. And more importantly, you didn't have a system in place to know and be able to tell you exactly when to ask for those referrals. And look, this isn't your fault anyway, because you've been focused on way too many other things. There's everybody telling you to get new leads, use this sales pipeline, get paid traffic, get this, get that. All the stuff we're being told to do all the time by all these fancy experts that think they know what's best for your business. But no one was telling you that the easiest sale is literally sitting one conversation away, and it's literally the easiest sale you can ever make because they are already convinced, because they are already the best friend of someone that's already working with you, or the neighbor, or a very happy fellow business owner that's already working with you. It's one conversation away. So here's the shift. Every time you close a client, there should be a clear system in place that turns a client into a magnet for 1 to 3 more clients. It's not about begging for referrals. It's about catching people right in the moment and giving them the easiest possible way to connect you with someone they care about, because that's the best way to sell people. So just remember, you don't need more leads. You need a better system to capture what's already working, because behind every 10K you make, there's a potential 8K or more you're losing without even knowing it. Now, if you want to know exactly how to do this, how to trigger the referral moment, and how to make that handoff as smooth as possible, and also how to automate the follow-up so you don't have to do any of the work, I'll break that down step by step in my next video as well. But I'll also provide a link that you can check out exactly what this offer looks like for you in more detail, linked in the description below, so you can see exactly how this can work in your business today, also without costing you an arm and a leg, and it does not require an exhaustive setup to get going in your business. So without further ado, thanks very much for watching, and with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video.